Baguio. Finally, after 6 hours ba?
6 hours ba
After 6 hours na pagod, we're here. We're here at Baguio na. Finally, now we're waiting for our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, buffet. Come eat with us. Lechoneria. I'm with my friend. Look at the view. Pork ribs, grilled mayo. Yum. With vegetables, soup, rice, and I don't know. And my friend ordered sarsyado.
Ensalada yun.
Ensalada pala, joke lang. Tapos, iska.
Mix of pickle.
Yeah, yun na yun, guys. So, that's our order for tonight. Pizza. Rice. So, bigla ako kasi. Parang sa itong mga parang yummy yummers. Pakbet ata ito. Taste test. Masarap to. Sana masarap siya. Hope with the price, guys. This is 375. Yung mayo niya, lasang parang sisig. Parang sa sisig yung lasa. Yung sauce ng sisig. Yummers, guys. Yes. Ayaw matuso. Ano ba ito? Crunchy. Ito mo ba? Balat ng isla na premium. Pero ito masarap. Balat ng sisig. Manulit. Patikim ako siya. Scallion. Nakalimutan ko. Ano? Alpi. Pili lang.
Salpicao.
Salpicao. Taste test. Sarap. Parang papa. Yum. Going to buy coffee na full tummy. Okay, super lamig here. Like, pili mo may snow. Charot. coffee from earlier. Sorry. Night market in Session Road yun.
Hindi tayo pupunta doon sa stage.
Pagod na. Cute. After that long drive, kala mo nag-drive eh. After ng long biyahe, then kumain sa SM, then walking sa Session Road pala. Session Road. Ngayon uwi na guys, pagod na kami. So, it's 24 hours visit kami. Well, the week, uwian na. Hindi na masaya. Grabe, ang delikado ng dinadaanan natin. Dark ang aming daan. Pabalik sa aming Airbnb. Uwing-uwi na ang mga person. Lakad mode. Because, tipid-tipid. Just got home. Nakauwi na. Sorry guys, kailangan timing lang dito sa Airbnb na nabook namin kasi pag nag-ingay kami, may multa. Magkano? 5K. Ay,
Oo, 5K.
5K but we're broke. So, hindi namin afford magmulta. Hello? Medyo magulat yung kwarto kasi hindi pa kami nagliligpit since pagod pa para di mapasma. Pabulong yung
Ano yung ASMR?
guys, intindihin nyo na lang kasi bawal magingay.
Lagyan mo yung subtitle.
Pwede ba yun? Hindi ko pa na-try yun. Hindi pa siya automatic eh.
Hindi, kapag i-edit mo.
Pick check guys. Hindi nyo nakita yung pick ko. So bukas gagala naman kami. Gumagawa kami ng itinerary.
Saan ba nag-edit?
Check. May kapit. May kapit tayo pala kami. Sorry.
Check.
Wala, ganun lang kalaki yung room namin. Good for two. Going to bed now. Because tomorrow, we have a lot of plans. So, pagod-pagod na naman si tomorrow, guys. We're going out now for our itinerary. Good morning, guys. Come with us. Let's go. We're going. Ay, push it.
We're going out.
Ang hirap ng walang salamin na dala. Malamig naman yung hangin, kaso sobrang sakit sa mata nung araw. Malamig siya, gayhay. Don't get me wrong, malamig siya, pero yung araw ang sakit sa mata. See you for our first stop. First stop.
Okay, slow down. Tingin sa taas, medyo malapit.
Hello, we're at the first stop, guys. Cathedral in Baguio. Touchdown Cathedral.
Isang bahay sa Jerusalem, tinugteng kapag daydayawan. Tinunay ni Jesus. So tayo.
Guys, second stop. Ano to? Burham? Burham Park.
Burnham.
In Burham Park, guys. Diana said hi. Our order in the cafe. Yummy. Eat with us. I like the cheese na nakahalo sa cheese. Taste for seasoned garlic. Guys. Third stop, we are Bell Church. Tama ba? Bell Church. Budo. Come with us. Tara sa taas. Church, guys. Bell Church.
Ayaw nga pala, no?
Ayun, dito na kayo. Dito na kami. Inspired by Chinese. If you look at the view. Akit pa tayo sa taas.
Pwede naman.
Tara, punta tayo sa taas. Bababa na sila! First stop, Valley of Colors. Tama ba? I'm going sa strawberry farm. Just buy my ice cream. Strawberry and avocado flavor. Yummy. Strawberry farm.
Madetect niya.
Not strawberry farm, guys. Look, ang dami. There's a bunch of strawberry. Hindi na kami nag-avail ng mamimitasin. Mas fan ako ng mango. Kaya lang, since tourist spot ito, kaya pinuntahan na din namin. Pit stop. We're now in strawberry farm. So, hindi kami mamimitas, guys. We're just looking around since it's a tourist spot. Let's go. Cute strawberry. Side by side. So many strawberry. Ang ganda ng panahon, ang lamig. Hindi mainit. So, nakaka-excite. Look. The strawberry is side by side. There's lettuce. Ang ganda ng field nila. Ang lawak ng strawberry farm. Look.
Kasi naman malaking stop.
Welcome to Strawberry Land. Sunflower farm. Medyo malayo siya, pero sana worth it. Inabot na kami ng ulan. Umuulan guys, hindi siya nakakatuwa. There's a lot of flowers here. Hello guys, our 6th stop, 6 or 7, Sunflower Farm. Rain or shine. So many flowers here, different types. Babalik na kami. Per 10 nakakita ng view. 15 pesos per each. Can Garden. Stop number 8. Botanical Garden, guys. Let's go. So pretty. Wishing well. Oh, another wishing well. Cutie patsuchi. Oh, cute. Mga pagod na ang person. Like, nakailang walks na tayo sa relo mo, te?
15K.
Oh my God, guys. For one day, we've been walking 15K step. So, imagine nyo, ilang kilometers na lang yun. Then,
Ilang kilometers?
ay, kilometers. Kilometers. May kilometers sa bang 15 step?
Ang 15,000 siguro mga more than 10K.
O, diba na 10K na. So, tapos, isang beses pa lang kami kumakain. Yung last kain namin, yung kaninang umaga yung breakfast. Ewan ko, hindi kami nagugutom. Galagols muna. See you to our next destination. Hi! Ay! Ang Miles View Park. Naganda ligaw-ligaw kami when the struggle is real talaga. See you there! Nakarating na ng Miles View. Pagod na pagod. Miles Park View.